Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. February 1, 2025, Saturday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, starting time 3 p.m. Meron tayong 7 karera. Lahat ng races ay merong 1,400 meter distance. Kanina, araw ng Biyernes, ngayon ay akala ko bad result na. Nag-worry na ako dahil talo uli o wala tayo nung winner sa race 1. Pero race 2 hanggang last race ay nasa cool tips na natin. Kaya 6-1. Bago ang ating mga cool choices, good luck sa lahat at pasensya na po kung maraming race ngayon ay tatlo ang ating cool tips. Medyo sa akin pong humble assessment, balanse ang handicapping at marami o makapal ang entries. Halos lahat ay lumampas ng 10 o umabot ng 10 at lampas pa. Yung ang last race ay full gate pa. Race number 1, first choice, number 9, right or wrong. Second choice, number 7, music and magic. Third choice, number 5, fade the line. Dumako tayo sa race number 2, first choice, kabayo ni Sir JC. Let it shine, number 2. Second choice, number 7, Top Romance. Third choice, number 1, Abalicious. Sa race 3, first choice, number 4, Flamengo Das. Second choice, number 10, Maki Boy. At third choice, number 6, Noir. Race 4, first choice natin, number 10, Rocking Bell. Second choice, number 5, Bravo. Third choice, number 7, Orange Bell. Race 5, first choice, number 5, Snow White. Second choice, number 3, Hell Guy. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 7, Sound of Silence. Second choice, number 2, Humble Strike. Third choice, number 11, Gable. 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 3, High Roller. Second choice, number 11, Batang Kankalu. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!